So I'll give you the example that, so this Muslim boy asked me the same question at work, because he, obviously in their religion they trim some parts of the body hair. And he asked me, so why don't you just do it at all, because surely, it becomes difficult to manage. My only answer that I gave, because I presume that this is perhaps just to kind of make other people aware of it or educate others, I just kind of kept it quite simple. I said, this is kind of how Bible has created us, one. And we live in the glory of Bible, and we accept Bible's creation, we accept Bible's command. Guru Sahib has given us this rule, Guru Sahib has given us this case, and this rule. And then we love Bible, and we think that Bible is perfect, so we don't change. Okay? That was one. So the second thing is, I think it comes at, obviously, the concept that kind of accepting that hukum from Guru Sahib. And the other thing is that, in terms of the spiritual element, we say, in Om Basumara, there's other Panktiya Gurbani which talks about how Bible, these kind of are like antennas, these are kind of like jeeves, tongues that we have on our body, that when we say Bible, that it magnifies our, or amplifies our Simran, and it makes us experience Bible and experience that Simran a lot more. So I think that there's different sort of aspects of this, but if we were to explain to someone initially, I would just talk about the fact that we live in the glory of Bible. Bible has created us like this. This hair is living, it's not dead. The dead hairs are the ones that when you do your case, or you do your ganga, and then they're the dead hairs that come out. All this hair is living, and then it comes to life, essentially, more spiritual life, when we do the Simran.